Now that we have covered the different layers of our landscape, I wanted to focus on two product trends that impact all of them, namely AI and no-code. Machine learning and AI are buzzwords which are hard to avoid these days, and the designer tool space is no different. Whether it's debatable that AI-powered products are mature or not yet, what is not is that machine learning is leveraged in an increasing number of use cases and in every layer of our landscape. For example, in the product layer, you can find apps such as UI Wizard, which converts the wireframes and sketches you draw on paper directly into digital interfaces, or ClipDrop, which is an augmented reality copy and pasting tool. At the platform level, a very interesting trend to notice are the AI-based assistants, which can help you spot issues with your documents, stay consistent with design systems, prepare your files for collaboration, and follow your team's rules and more. And finally, we've already covered several of them in the video about infrastructure layer, but AI is used by products to convert design files to code or to manage design assets and automate parts of the designer job. The no-code trend is actually quite popular in the designer tool space too. For example, Bravo labels itself as a no-code tool to convert Figma files into iOS or Android apps. Origami Studio is an app that lets you create interactive prototypes without having to write code, but you can if you want. And if you think about it, the equivalent of no-code for the design space might also emerge. It won't be called the no-code trend, but the no-design file trend. And it will enable non-designers to create prototypes, illustrations, pictures, and other design assets without using traditional designer tools. The AR tools such as UI Wizard and ClipDrop we've just mentioned might actually be exactly that. Anyway, I will conclude this video with an open question for you. Do you believe that AI and no-code are positive trends for the designer tool space, or do you think that they threaten the place of designers and will make this job redundant?